Is your building living up to its full potential? Could it be more efficient? More comfortable? More sustainable? The full potential inside every building usually goes untapped. But building performance can easily be improved to help you achieve goals and save money. Goals like lowering your carbon emissions, making your occupants more comfortable, and enhancing your operational efficiencies. Imagine if you could bring the separate systems in your building together. From mechanical infrastructure like HVAC equipment, space sensors, lighting, and energy meters, to cloud-based software tools, AI-enabled analytics, and connected services, all orchestrated to work together, balancing efficiency, security, sustainability, and comfort. With that type of control, you can take your building beyond simply connected to being truly smart, setting the foundation that will keep your building operating at its peak for years to come. Tracer is the foundation of Trane's smart building ecosystem that is redefining how spaces and systems operate. It's infrastructure and intelligence, the result of decades of industry leadership, unmatched HVAC and controls experience, and a culture of collaboration. It can help elevate the performance of buildings of all sizes and ages with equipment from virtually any brand. If your building is telling you that its performance could be better, it's time to listen. It's time to discover Tracer from Trane.